This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Jamie.Kudary. Beautifully renovated in 2018 to include kitchen stainless steel appliance package, granite solid wood cabinets, updated bathrooms with downstairs ensuite, laundry room with 2019 West/D conveys, attached one-car garage, covered back porch with stamped concrete, privacy fence, shade tree. Roof replaced in 2012, final replacement windows, HVAC 2018 includes new ductwork, ADT security equipped, conveys, new sewer line to street 2021. Truly move-in ready, will not disappoint. For more information, review the details below or contact Jamie.Kudary at 757-217-4200.